Guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to uninstall Android Studio completely from Windows 11 and 10 operating system. So let's start. First, let's see where is our Android Studio installed. So my Android Studio is installed in C, then program files, and here you can see the Android Studio folder. So to uninstall it completely, first you need to go to the control panel. So open your control panel, then go to the programs. There we have uninstall a program option. From here, we have the Android Studio option. Just select that option and click on uninstall button. So it will ask you to that you if you want to uninstall this application or not. So just click on yes button. Now it will start uninstalling it. So what we have installed, like Android Studio we have installed. If you have installed the Android user setting as well, so you can just select this. So we are selecting both the checkbox. We just need to delete Android Studio and that setting as well. So just select this checkbox and click on next button. Then this is the location from where our Android Studio will get uninstalled. So click on the uninstall button. Then just click on yes to remove all the files. So it will start uninstalling. So we have completed uninstallation. Just close this and now let's again go to our files to see Android Studio is uninstalled or not. Just let's refresh it. Open files in Android Studio. So you can see our Android Studio folder is empty now. So in this way you can uninstall the Android Studio from Windows 10 and 11.